Hello YouTube, Tower 1 here. This time I'm doing something a tad bit differently than the regular railroad employee gear review. This time I'm doing railroad police gear review. For the first time ever. For those who are law enforcement officials in the railroad, the best boots to get are the Rocky boots, Alpha Force boots with the side zip. These ones are model number 2173. These are the Rocky Alpha Force side zip tactical boot. They are, like I said, 8-inch, non-insulated. The next one is the 2090 by Rocky, the Paratrooper, which you all know. I have several reviews of the 2090 here on this channel, but this is not a review per se. As you see, they're 10-inch in height. They got a spit shinable toe and heel counter, unlike the Alpha Forces, which are not a spit shinable, or can be spit shinable. But the best boot, if you want to get into railroad law enforcement, is these Rocky 2090 Paratrooper boots, which oddly enough, I'm filming this on the 2 days after D-Day. These boots were used, the Paratrooper boot just like this was used on D-Day, but they weren't the Rocky version. They were the Corcoran version, which is the original jump boot. And this is just a short boot review of tactical boots for railroaders. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more content. Tower 1 out.